Hi, hope you are well. I am Ahmed. I have set up your Creative Flow Hub Notion template. So I am recording this video to show you what I have done that help you to use your Notion template. First of all, this is main dashboard of Creative Flow Hub dashboard. So here first we analyze main databases, then we will discuss further link, sort, filter and so more. So first of all, this is creative capture first database. So here I have put all information with custom field with relation so more. I have add these all titles with sample entry to check out and filter so more. Here all capture and you can check out by energy level, so high, medium, low. You can check out by status, by type, by timeline and so more. So this is, and everything I have put here. The next database is project and session. So in this database I have put all custom field type, status, priority, energy and so more with link database and so more. And here time estimate and start time and time I have add put all. Okay, then by you can check out by active project, by timeline, by type, by calendar and so more. I have add these all extra. By the way, the your budget $35 is very low. The actual price of this template is $100. And then third is time energy planning database. Here I have put all, and you can see here I have add automation and formulas. When you just click here start time, so time will be start. When you click here end time, so time will be off, and actual time will be show here with the help of formulas. You can check out, I have added here formula section. So here you can check out by calendar view, by energy distribution, activity types and timeline. So this is overview of three databases. So now let's describe about main dashboard. So here I have add quick action like new ideas. When you click here, so new ideas you can put here, and this idea will be in database. Then new project, when you put here you can add new project. By schedule time you can schedule time. Then if we discuss this, so to the energy plan you can check out by here by the timeline, and I have add filter and this by that. Then active project, and you can check out I have add filter and sort some more you can use. And recent spawn, you can check out by list and add these all with filter. Then in this week's session, I have set up this with the help of board, you can check out. Then last is navigation hub. So here ideas valid in table format, then project lab in by type of board with filter and so more. Then time flow, you can check out by time by the timeline. And then is inspire gallery. So this is new item you can put here. So this is overall your Notion template working. So check it out and let me know if you need any changes and so more. And the question is that how you can use this Notion template, because this template I have set up in my own account. So first of all I'm going to share this. So first I need to publish. I have published this, then I have copied this. I have copied this template link, and I am sending you this link. When you open this link and you open new tab and you paste here this link. When you paste here, so this similar dashboard will be here. And you, by the way, by carefully open this tab where your Notion account should be login in. So when you see this similar this, you when then duplicate this, just click here duplicate button. Then this template will be duplicate in your own account. Then they will be look here similar this, and it will be work similar this. So let me know if you have any further questions, so I'm here to your help. Thank you.